If your Amazon KDP dashboard looks like a ghost town, you are probably crying into your morning coffee. Most people think AI is a magic button. They smash it, upload garbage, and wonder why they make $0. The AI-powered KDP cache engine claims to fix this without you needing to be the next Shakespeare or a tech wizard. Let's see if it is true, or just more hype. Hey, Kamal from TestedApps.com here. I have spent 6 years in the trenches testing tools that promise the moon and the stars. I test them so you do not have to waste your hard-earned cash. Today we are doing an honest review. Real results, no fluff, just the raw truth about this new publishing system. Before we dive in, I have put together a custom bonus package for you. If you grab this through my link below, you get exclusive extras that will speed up your results. Check the description for the full breakdown. So what exactly is this thing? The AI-powered KDP cache engine is a complete publishing workflow for beginners and frustrated authors. The main promise is simple. It builds books Amazon cannot ignore. It does this by flipping the script. Instead of writing a book and praying for sales, you find the demand first. It is designed to take you from zero ideas to a published asset that actually makes money. The system is broken down into a 5-stage engine, but let's keep it dead simple with the 3 parts that matter most. Step 1 is the demand signal niche finder. You stop guessing. You stop picking niches because they sound cute. You use a specific method to find where buyers are already spending money. Step 2 is the one outline book builder. This is huge. Most people let AI ramble and create fluff. This step forces the AI to follow a strict blueprint. It ensures your book has a real structure. Step 3 is the momentum launch. This is where the magic happens. You do not just upload and wait. You use a checklist to trigger the Amazon algorithm. This helps your book move early instead of dying quietly in the rankings. Here's what actually moves the needle for you when you use this system. First, you get the conversion metadata injector. That sounds fancy, but here's what it means. It optimizes your title and description so that browsers turn into buyers. It makes your listing feel safe to buy. Second, it saves you from the silent failure cycle. You know the one. You work hard, you publish, and nothing happens. This system validates your idea before you write a single word. That saves you weeks of wasted time. Third, it creates a repeatable asset. Once you build one book that sells, you just rinse and repeat. It turns publishing into a boring, profitable factory instead of a creative struggle. Let's talk money. The front-end price for this entire system is $17. That's a one-time payment. Compare that to hiring a ghostwriter, which can cost $500 easily, or compare it to monthly keyword tools that cost $97 a month. With this, you pay the price of a cheap lunch and you own the knowledge forever. That's a solid deal in my book. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Alright, so let me just give you a snippet of what you are going to be getting when you get the AI-powered KDP cache engine. Now, the course is actually hosted in the school community. We have built a community of successful publishers where we interact and also provide you with ultimate solutions regarding any problem or challenges you might be having when going through this particular system. So this is a walkthrough video of how this particular system works and what you will be getting inside. Now this is the community section, the general discussion section of the group, where you can see some other persons sharing their testimony and how much they were able to make inside the community. And also after that, you are going to see the course area where we hosted the entire system that is giving these people the result. So you go to the classroom. Once you get access, you go to the classroom. Now you are going to see different sections of this particular system. Now each of this section was built from my 10 years of experience and what is already working. So this is a result-oriented program of everything I do to get result on Amazon KDP. That is what exactly I shared step by step. Even complete beginners can actually take this and get great result with it. Now this is the first section that talks about how you can research 100k per year keywords. Now this is a golden nugget strategy where I will show you exactly how you can get a keyword that can consistently generate you over 100k per year. So now when you click on the section, you are going to see the various videos across the section. Okay, you can see this is the section. Now once you are done with this particular section, we also have another section that talks about how you can extract and validate those keywords to know if those keywords are profitable, and this is the section that talks about this particular aspect too. Okay, now after that we have another section that talks about how you can use AI to build your book. Okay, now this is centered around using or leveraging AI to actually create great books that is going to sell consistently over the year. So now this particular section is going to guide you on how you can achieve that. Now we also have another section that will show you how you can actually launch your book in the first 48 hours of publishing on Amazon, and how you can generate instantly your first $100 within the range of 48 hours using this launch strategy. Now this is actually mind-blowing, and this is actually very, very unique, and this is what I usually do every single time I launch a new book on KDP. Now the next section is the BookBub ads. Now this is where a lot of publishers get it wrong. So many publishers don't know about how they can leverage BookBub ads and get instant traffic, sales velocity, and also consistent ranking on Amazon, visibility, and also indexing. Now this particular section is going to show you how you can achieve that. Now this particular section is a section that talks about scaling this particular business, where you are going to use Facebook ad to generate sales on daily basis across your book. Okay, now this section is also value loaded with a lot of information that is going to help you to achieve that. Now the next section we have inside this particular program is the Amazon ads section, also in the scaling part, where I will show you how you can invest $1 and turn it into $5 using our own unique Amazon ads strategy. So once you click on this, you are going to see a whole lot of information that is specific about Amazon ads and how you can get results instantly with the Amazon ads. Now the final section is actually the bonus and resources section, where I have provided you with a lot of bonuses that is going to ease your journey, and you are going to get things much easier. We have provided you with over 300 profitable niches. We have shown you how you can recover suspended KDP accounts. We have given you over 400 titles to instantly use that are profitable without taking the heck of doing the keyword research yourself. We show you also protect your KDP account, the prompts you are going to be using on ChatGPT to get your quality book that sounds like a human written book, which is in terms of maintaining quality and compliance with Amazon. We have also shown you how you can build your dream customer avatar so that you can build a high quality book that is going to sell consistently. We have shown you how you can target on your Facebook, that is our targeting checklist that is constantly going to generate you daily sales with Facebook advert. We have shown you how you can use promo site too to increase book sales and visibility, and we have shown you the kind of titles that are selling in 2026 so that you can take advantage of that. So now that is basically what you will be getting inside this particular program. It is actually result oriented. It is going to show you exactly how you can get the desired result on KDP, whether you are a seasoned publisher, a beginner, or somebody who have no idea about KDP. So that is the snippet of what you will be getting in this particular program. So see you in the program very soon. Thank you.
What if I told you you could go from a simple idea to a fully published Amazon KDP book without the guesswork? Most people fail because they pick the wrong niche or lack a real strategy. It's not Amazon's fault, it's the system. I'm Sonny Zachary. I've generated over $1 million in sales using a structured system I've refined over 10 years. Introducing the AI-powered KDP cache engine. This isn't just hope, it's a step-by-step system using AI correctly. Learn to find profitable niches, create high-quality books fast, and optimize your metadata for ranking. Get the full training, prompt frameworks, and checklists. Everything you need is tested and organized. If you're serious about publishing books that actually sell, click below for instant access today. Backed by a 30-day guarantee. Start building your publishing asset now.
Now, be aware of the funnel. There are optional upgrades. OTO1 is the Cache Engine Accelerator for $47. This gives you advanced prompts and speed tactics. Get this if you value your time and want to publish faster. OTO2 is the done-for-you assets for $97. This is my top pick for beginners. They hand you pre-validated niche packs and templates. It removes the risk of picking the wrong topic. There's also a premium authority vault for $197. That's for people who want to build a massive brand. You don't need it to start, but it's there if you want to scale. I put the system through my usual torture test. Here is my honest take. Most AI courses just tell you to ask ChatGPT to write a book. That's a recipe for failure. This system is different because it's a marketing course first. It treats books like products. It forces you to focus on demand and conversion. That's why I believe it will actually work for you. Now, what is this not? It is not a magic button that prints money while you sleep on a beach. You still need to do the work. You have to run the prompts, you have to check the quality, you have to upload the files. If you are lazy and want zero work, this is not for you. If that's you, keep scrolling and save your $17. Imagine waking up to daily royalty checks from Amazon. Not huge money at first, maybe just enough to cover coffee, then enough to cover bills. That's what the KDP Cache Engine unlocks. It turns your time into an asset that pays you over and over again. The link is below. The launch pricing won't last forever, so lock it in while it's cheap. Questions? Drop them in the comments below. I read every single one. Like this video if it was helpful. Subscribe for more honest reviews that save you money. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. See ya.